how to save and download your design from Canva to your PC. This tutorial shows you how to export your file in just a few steps. First, open your browser on your PC and go to canva.com. Then open the design you want to save. From there, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. After that, click on Download from the drop-down that appears. At this point, you'll see a few options. Click on the File Type drop-down to choose your preferred format, such as PDF, PNG, JPG, or MP4 for video designs. From there, if you're downloading a multi-page design, you can choose to download all pages at once or select specific pages you want to save. Following this, if you're downloading as a PDF, you'll also get the option to choose between PDF Standard for regular use or PDF Print for higher quality printing. After that, once you've set everything up the way you want, click the Download button to start the export. From here, your browser will process the file for a moment before downloading it automatically to your PC. Finally, once the download is complete, head to your Downloads folder to find your saved design, ready to use. That's how you save and download a design from Canva on your PC. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!